Now, what Papa is telling, what Father is telling, this is exactly the right reason why it is better to pray in solitude. In solitude, you can concentrate better on God in solitude. Means when it is silence, when no one is there, we can concentrate better. We can pray more nicely. That is Papa is explaining Vikas. Now Vikas is telling, what can I ask God for when I pray? Now Vikas, what is asking his Papa? What should I ask when I start praying to God? What should I ask him? Father is telling, well Vikas, we don't pray only to ask for things. We also pray for forgiveness. So Papa is telling him, we only just don't pray to ask, give me this, give me that. We don't pray for that much only. We are also pray to ask forgiveness. Means something we have done wrong to someone, means we ask for forgiveness. We do so many wrong deeds. We say so many wrong things every day. Papa is telling that we do so many wrong things. We do so many wrong things every day. We must admit what we have done is wrong and ask God to forgive us. Means we must tell all this to God, and we must tell God to forgive us. So many things we have done, whatever in everyday life, whatever wrong we have done, we must ask forgiveness. Only then can we ask for something, because then our heart becomes pure. First we have to ask God to forgive us for whatever wrong we have done. Then after that our heart becomes pure, and after that we can ask whatever we want. It is a mistake to think that prayer is only a means of asking things from God. Now it is a mistake that we always keep on thinking that when we pray we can keep on asking things from God. It is not like that. But Father, if we don't ask God, how will He give us what we need? How will He know that what we want? Now what Vikas is asking, again he has one doubt. He is asking his Papa, but when we don't ask God, how will He come to know what we want? Then Father is again explaining him. When you were a baby, Vikas, when you were not able to speak, when you were very small, when you were not able to speak, you were not able to ask anything, yet your mummy, what she used to do, whatever you want, that she used to give you beforehand only. Before you could ask, before you could tell anything, only she came to know that you want this and all. All you needed, yet your mummy gave you all you wanted. How did she know that? In the same way, God knows after all. He made the whole world. He made you and me. He knows what you want. You don't have to ask Him. You don't have to ask Him, give me this, give me that, because God is so powerful that He knows everything, whatever is in our heart, whatever we need. Vikas, what is telling, can you tell me how to pray, Daddy? Now Vikas is again asking, Daddy, can you tell me, can you help me how to pray? Father is telling, it is easy, pray with a pure and grateful heart. Now what Papa is telling, it is very easy, pray with a pure and grateful heart. Students, now what you have to do, pray for your teachers, pray for your parents. This lesson is about prayer, so you must daily pray for your teachers, for your parents, for your elders in the family, and all those who are sick, all those who are in need of your prayers.